How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
How to grow thick eyebrows and long eyelashes naturally. Eyebrows and eyelashes grows Serum. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will share with you an effective remedy. It's how to make your eyebrows grow thick and long eyelashes naturally. To make this remedy, we need these ingredients: 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 capsule of vitamin E oil, 'And now mix all the ingredients very well. Then apply this remedy with a brush on your eyebrows and eyelashes and leave it on overnight without washing it. Repeat this remedy for 5 days. Then you will see the difference. Oh, finally! I hope this remedy helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel and make thumbs up for this video.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.